Hello everyone, this is Dom, and in this video we are going to cover the basics for scheduling posts in the Publish tab for all the different platforms that I really have access to. This is just an overview. Um, we'll dive deeper into scheduling for specific platforms in other videos. So to get started, this is a testing workspace that we have set up here in Social Studio. And as you can see, we have a few posts already published, but there are a few ways to schedule content, um, and I'm going to show you a couple of them. So first off, you can schedule content by clicking directly on the calendar itself, right here, on the calendar, anywhere on the calendar. Notice a little pop-up that shows up on any particular day that you click. Um, and the other way that you can schedule is by clicking on this green Create Content button over here. And so the reason that I choose I actually prefer to click directly on the calendar when I schedule content. And that is because when you click on a date and time, 10 a.m. on Tuesday, say, for example, or 7 a.m. on Thursday, for example, when you do that, you are automatically creating a scheduled time for which that post will be published. So notice I clicked 7 a.m. on Thursday. Let's say I choose this to be a Facebook post. If you scroll down here, notice November 21st at 7 a.m. It's already scheduled on the calendar. Okay, so you will not have to do that after the fact. If you just want to get started on something and you don't care really or you don't know particularly what day or time it's going to go out, you can click this green button just as easily. Click it and say Facebook post. But if you scroll down, you will notice it actually doesn't have a deployment date and time. It's actually scheduled for publishing right now. So that is the difference. There's two ways to do it, on the calendar or clicking this green button. And one thing to note, whether you click the green button or you click on the calendar, you have immediate access to choose from all of these different types of content. Now, you're going to be limited based on what actual accounts you have connected to this workspace. So in this case, on this workspace, I only have Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. So Facebook, Instagram, I'm sorry, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, business specifically. Um, so I won't be able to do like a Pinterest post or a YouTube or a LinkedIn. Won't be able to do that in this workspace until I actually connect accounts that have that capability. So a Pinterest account or a YouTube account or a LinkedIn account, for instance. But you can choose from any of the social accounts that are represented over here on the side, and just start creating content for that. And that's about it. You just go through the calendar. You can go weeks out in advance, pick a date over here, choose the Facebook post. And if I was to go to DME test and write, sample post and schedule it from Social Studio, you will see on December 4th, this post is going to go out. Notice that it is dark blue. That means it's going to go out. If something is a draft, if I was to go in here and say schedule it for DME test and write sample post and save it as a draft, it's going to kick me over to the drafts folder right here. But if I look on the calendar on the same day and time, notice it's faded out. It's gray. So hopefully that gives you a basic understanding of how to schedule content on the Publish tab for the calendar on Salesforce Social Studio. In upcoming videos, I will go into a bit more detail on how to schedule for specific social media platforms.